G'day, I'm Angus Stewart, native plant expert, author, but also gardening enthusiast. I'm here on my property in southern Tasmania where I came 7 years ago to create my dream garden, where I can plant all of my favourite native plants and get them to reach their absolute full potential to create a vibrant, colourful native garden where I can sit back and watch all the native birds coming in to this beautiful habitat that I'm creating. One of the things I've learned over a lifetime of working with and growing native plants is that there is a myth that is holding a lot of gardeners back from creating a beautiful native garden like this. And that is that you don't need to feed native plants in the garden. Well, certainly they are great survivors in the bush and in gardens. They've got all sorts of adaptations that allow native plants to hang in there waiting for better conditions to come along. And what I've noticed in the bush is that after a bushfire, you get these prolific picture postcard displays of flowers in the year or two after the fire. That's because there's a whole lot of nutrients that are released from all the leaf litter on the ground and the vegetation above ground after a fire. That all goes into the soil. If you get good rainfall, you get a big burst of growth that then results in these spectacular displays of wildflowers. What can we learn from that in the garden is that if we feed at the right time and in the right circumstance, we can get our native plants to reach their full blooming potential. The benefits of liquid feeding are not just nutritional. Soil biology is an absolutely critical part of plant health. So these kangaroo paws are a good example. Over 40 years of growing kangaroo paws, I'm pretty confident that these ones are going backwards because they're being attacked by a soil-borne fungus which is attacking the roots and possibly the crown of the plant, and it's causing all of this dead growth. And this particular kangaroo paw certainly has seen better days. But there is hope. I've been using a preparation that is introducing beneficial microbes to the potting mix, and those bacteria are antagonistic towards the fungi that cause that root and crown rot. So you can see a lot of beautiful new green shoots coming on this one. I believe we've saved it from almost certain death, and in this case this particular plant has started pushing up beautiful bright green new growth and even a really strong new flower bud there. So soil biology, a really critical part of getting your native plants to reach their full potential. The bottom line with your native plants is that the sort of regular maintenance that you give to plants like roses and camellias will give you the same sort of results. So this garden I put in 18 months ago. In the planting holes I used a low phosphorus native plant food. I tip pruned the plants regularly as they were growing to develop their shape, and some regular liquid feeding as well to keep the growth coming, and I've now got this stunning result. So some tender loving care for your native plants, you'll get them to not just survive but absolutely thrive.